how to archive and unarchive chats in Telegram. So first open your Telegram app, and then you will have to select the chat that you want to archive and long press on it. Then you're going to tap on your three dots at the top right, then you'll see the first option is archive. You're just going to click on it. This is one way to archive your chat, but if you want to do it in an easier way, I'm going to show it in a while. But first, let's see how you can unarchive the chat. To do that, you are just going to swipe down on your chat section and you'll see your archive chat. You're going to open it and tap on it, long press on it, and then unarchive. So a simpler way to archive your chat is to manage your settings. So open on three dots. After you tap on your three dots, then you're going to open your settings and then go to chat settings. And if you scroll down, you can see chat list swipe gesture. Right now it's on red. If I swipe left on my chat, it's going to read the chat. So if I set it to archive and go back, so if I just simply swipe it left, the chat is going to be archived. And to unarchive, you just swipe down and this will show up all of your unarchived chats. So if you swipe down, this is going to show your archived chats, and you can just simply unarchive by long pressing it and tap on unarchive. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.